Alec Murdaugh back in court today for the first time since the South Carolina Supreme Court overturned his double murder conviction and life sentence last month.
Back in 2023, a jury found Murdaugh guilty of murdering his wife Maggie and son Paul. But the state's high court threw out those convictions, saying a clerk's comments to jurors denied Murdaugh a fair trial. Fox's Pete Cuddihy was in the courtroom today. So Pete, Murdaugh's lawyers, they made some requests. Were those approved?
Hey, Christina, John. Well, Murdaugh's attorneys are going to have to wait a little bit longer for answers. Today, the judge made it clear that her priority was scheduling. However, she still listened to all four of the defense's motions, but she made it clear that she's not going to make a ruling until a pretrial hearing, which she scheduled for August 14th. One thing the defense wants is for the judge to allow Murdaugh to wear street clothes and remain unshackled during his retrial.
Potential jurors are watching this right now. Well, it's going to be, wherever this goes, it's going to be difficult to get a deal. And to the extent that parading him around in a jumpsuit shackled like an animal impacts their view, it's going to make it more difficult for us to get a jury.
The defense is also requesting a change of venue and asked that Murdaugh have access to a laptop in prison so he can review evidence. Prosecutors say they're discussing a potential change of venue with the defense, but they don't want Murdaugh to have his laptop.
An individual who was caught receiving contraband that was passed from a family member through the defense to him, found like guys. And so this is not a guy who was, and this is also a guy who's been convicted of over a decade of fraud.
And it's the motion Judge McCaslin made a hard ruling on today.
I'm not going to allow him to have a laptop computer in his cell. It's for safety reasons. That's out of my control. I think it's not only for the safety of the others at the institution, but probably Mr. Murdaugh, for your own safety.
Lastly, the defense made a request to use advanced DNA technology that they say wasn't available 5 years ago.
This genetic genealogy was just on the ground floor. In 2026, we are light years ahead, and so what we're asking for didn't really exist in 2021.
Prosecutors say new DNA analysis won't make a difference. The judge says that she'll consider it, but she also had some questions about how long that analysis takes.
If I need to extend it out a couple of weeks, I will, if that's the case. Please do not think that this case is going to be tried a year later, because it's not. We're going forward.
Murdaugh will appear back in court in August for that pretrial hearing, and as a part of all of that scheduling, a trial date has been set for April 5th, 2027. In Lexington, South Carolina, Pete Cuddihy, Fox 10 News.